Are you looking for the best softbox lighting kit? In this video we will look at some of the best softbox lighting kit on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SH Photography Softbox Lighting Kit. Crafted with polyethylene high reflector particles, ensuring optimal light diffusion for true-to-life photography. Equipped with E27 base, compatible with various bulbs, 15 watts LED, 20 watts LED, 45 watts daylight, 135 watts daylight. For diverse lighting needs, features a 7200 cm height adjustable light stand, adaptable to various shooting scenarios. Comes with a convenient Oxford bag, making it easy to carry and set up your photo studio on the go. Constructed with a stable and durable design, ensuring your softbox remains secure during use. It is a perfect digital photo-video lighting softbox kit. Match with 4 bulbs, E27 base suit for most lighting equipments. EU plug, US plug, UK plug, O plug, white foldable soft cloth, high quality reflective particle. Safe and non-toxic polyester fiber, 4 flexible connecting rods. Folded height 27 inch 68 centimeters, working height 79 inch 200 centimeters. High quality, stable and durable, easy to install and use. Number 2. Photography Softbox Lighting Kits. It is a perfect digital photo-video lighting softbox kit. Match with photography bulb, E27 base suit for most lighting equipments. 4 kinds of power adapter: EU plug, US plug, UK plug, O plug. 50 by 70 cm single lamp head softbox, white foldable soft cloth, high quality reflective particle. Silver internal face to minimize light loss and maximize light spread. Safe and non-toxic polyester fiber, 4 flexible connecting rods. Light stand, folded height 27 inch 68 centimeters, working height 79 inch 200 centimeters. High quality, stable and durable, easy to install and use. Oxford bag can contain all product parts, easy to carry. Only buy bulbs. Send Oxford bag, bulb. 20 watts LED corn bulbs. 20 watts 30 watts LED bulbs. 45 watts bright bulbs. 135 watts bright bulbs. 135 watts 2-color bulbs. Number 3. Triopo 55 cm lighting kits. Inside with reflect silver and comes with front translucent diffuser, great for speed light, monolight, strobe or slave. Quick and easy way to produce beautiful diffused light, especially designed for speed lights and strobist, a must-have for location shooting. Independent monoblock flash heads designed for digital and film cameras. All metal, high quality construction, built-in slave devices, no messy wires. Compatible with all camera flash specification. Material, nylon material, aluminium shaft size. Diameter, 55 cm, 65 cm, 90 cm, 120 cm. Color, black. Weight, 740 grams, 899 grams, 1055 grams. Number 4. SHTZ36 Photography Lighting Kit. Photography Lighting Kit, 2.6 by 3 photo background, muslin backdrops and softbox and umbrella and reflector and light stand for photo studio. If you are looking for our product, the brand of SH is your good choice. Our product is from CN origin. The photography accessories type of our product is photography kits. Photography umbrella lighting kit. The softbox backdrop light stand is made of high quality materials, which can be used as a background for photo studios, and it can also be used as a photography light stand. This professional light stand and softbox kit provides a clear and stable light stand. The softbox kit allows you to change the lighting modes according to your needs. The light kit is made by professional optical glass, which can easily pass through the light source to create a wonderful photography experience. Hand wash or machine wash in cold water. Do not bleach. Iron and low temperature if necessary. Number 5. Photography 50 by 70 LED lighting kit. 50 by 70 softbox white foldable soft cloth. High quality reflective particle dot safe and non-toxic polyester fiber, 4 flexible connecting rods. Light stand folded height 27 inch 68 centimeters, working height 79 inch 200 centimeters. High quality, stable and durable, easy to install and use. Oxford bag can contain all product parts, easy to carry. Only buy bulbs. Send Oxford bag. 45 watts 2-color LED bulb, 5500K daylight balanced, 2700K warm light adjustment.